Have you ever experienced the sensation that, despite your diligent savings efforts, your journey toward financial prosperity seems to be progressing at a frustratingly slow pace? Despite your diligent budgeting, additional work hours, and consistent savings each month, the outcomes may not seem transformative. That's because many individuals are currently engaged in the labor-intensive process, rather than allowing their investments to work on their behalf. However, there is a specific threshold, a pivotal figure that changes the dynamics, at which your investments begin to generate returns more effectively than your own efforts. In today's video, I will provide a detailed explanation of how that amount functions, its significance, and strategies you can implement to achieve it more efficiently. Stay engaged until the conclusion, as the final segment will transform your perspective on wealth for a lifetime. Initially, the process of accumulating wealth can seem somewhat inequitable. You are setting aside funds and possibly exploring investment options, yet the figures seem to remain relatively stagnant. Minimal interest earnings and modest returns can often leave you feeling as though your financial progress is stagnant. This is a point where individuals often feel discouraged. Some individuals hold the belief that investing is ineffective or that they require a quick fix. However, the reality is that what we need to focus on is achieving greater scale. While modest investments can accumulate over time, the pace of growth may not seem significant enough to make a noticeable impact. The pivotal moment occurs when you reach a specific threshold, a key figure, that allows the power of compounding to fully manifest. Take a moment to reflect on this. Investing $1,000 with an annual return of 10% results in a profit of $100. That is hardly perceptible. However, with a portfolio of $100,000, that same 10% translates to $10,000. You are now able to manage several months of expenses without the need for additional work hours. Increasing it to $500,000 means that 10% would amount to $50,000, which is comparable to a salary. That's when your finances start to work for you, continuously generating value without requiring constant oversight or additional demands. This transition is not a result of chance or pursuing high-stakes opportunities. Success is built on the foundation of patience and persistence. Compounding resembles the effort of pushing a snowball uphill. Initially, it may seem burdensome, and each effort can feel quite taxing. However, as the snowball grows to a significant size, the forces of gravity begin to exert their influence. It gains traction and accelerates beyond what you could ever achieve through effort alone. That's precisely how wealth operates. The critical threshold is the moment when your accumulation reaches a size that is no longer manageable. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and also press the like button to know more on personal finance. For numerous individuals, that significant milestone tends to be approximately the initial $100,000. Renowned investor Charlie Munger once remarked, "The first $100,000 is the hardest, but you've got to do it." He made a valid point. That's the point at which the effects of compounding start to become apparent. Once you achieve that milestone, the burden eases as your investments begin to shoulder some of the responsibility. However, it's important to note that the optimal amount varies from person to person. For certain individuals, the curve begins to shift sooner at $50,000. For some individuals, the amount required is $200,000. Your financial situation is influenced by your lifestyle choices and spending habits. A low cost of living can allow even a modest portfolio to contribute significantly to your daily expenses. Perhaps your investments can help cover your grocery bill or transportation costs. That's still capital being utilized more effectively than your own efforts. However, if your lifestyle incurs significant expenses, it will be necessary to accumulate a larger sum before you notice a change. The essential insight is this: it's not solely about pursuing a single, static figure. It's about achieving a stage where your investments generate sufficient income to substitute for your personal labor. When your investments begin to support various aspects of your life, such as groceries, rent, and travel, you have reached a significant milestone. Once that realization occurs, a transformation takes place. Regrettably, the majority of individuals do not attain that goal. Individuals often undermine their financial stability by withdrawing funds during market downturns. Individuals often pause their investment activities during challenging times. They pursue quick gains rather than focusing on steady growth. By taking this action, they hinder the compounding process before it can yield its potential benefits. It resembles the act of investing in a venture and prematurely withdrawing your support out of impatience before it has the chance to yield returns. That's why maintaining a steady approach and adhering to a plan are crucial above all else. Even if you can only allocate modest sums today, what truly matters is maintaining a steady approach. Each dollar you invest serves as a seed for future growth. Initially, there are no noticeable developments. Over time, the foundations become established, leading to a situation where you can enjoy the benefits of a fruitful outcome with minimal effort. Let's examine a case study. Consider two individuals. An individual commits to investing $500 each month consistently over a period of 10 years. One group postpones action, convincing themselves that they will begin at a later time. After a decade, the individual has accumulated tens of thousands in savings, benefiting from the power of compounding. Their investments are generating substantial returns annually. The second option? Currently at a standstill, exchanging time for each dollar earned. The key factor is not intelligence or timing. Rather, it is the commitment to consistency that makes the difference. Consistency is the key to reaching your desired financial goals more efficiently. Building wealth typically involves consistent, incremental progress rather than dramatic changes. Over time, these small gains can compound, leading to significant growth. The affluent didn't merely receive substantial incomes. They achieved a stage where their capital transformed into a productive asset. They consistently invested additional funds into that workforce, ultimately making it an unstoppable force. What implications does this have for your current situation? Your attention should be directed towards accumulating your desired financial goal. For certain individuals, that amount is $50,000. For some individuals, the amount reaches $100,000 or beyond. The specific figure is not as important as the underlying concept. It is essential to arrive at a point where your investments transition from subtle signals to clear, commanding returns. That's when you begin to notice the impact on your everyday experiences. Once you reach this tipping point, you'll find that the process accelerates significantly. Returns compound over time, assets generate income, and before you know it, growth seems seamless. What previously seemed like a slow progression now resembles rapid advancement. It's essential to remain committed and not to abandon your efforts prematurely. Because once you reach that hidden threshold, wealth transitions from being an objective you pursue to becoming a force that actively seeks you out. Building wealth requires a thoughtful approach, consistent effort, and a long-term perspective. It's essential to reach a stage where your financial resources are working diligently on your behalf. The specific amount isn't arbitrary, it represents a critical juncture. Achieving your financial goals promptly will allow you to enjoy the benefits of having your money work for you, rather than the opposite. Now, watch the video appearing on the left side to know the 25 laws of money that will make you rich. Also, subscribe to our channel to help us complete our goal of 11,000 subscribers.